Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm cleaning my interior of my car. As you can see, I'm using baby wipes. Yeah, this is like a best $1.50 worth of money I ever spent. The only thing I spent in this car. Not really, but it's the only best thing I ever spent right now in this car. And hey, check out the Mustang, guys, over there. See? I don't know if you can see them. Zoom in. Damn, it's clean. So yeah, here is gonna be the interior cleaning process of this cooler. Whoa. Taking in all the garbage that I have. I'm done being lazy. I'm gonna clean out my whole car today. And I'm like, I'll just make a video out of this sucker. Okay, this maybe it's dried up pretty. If you all are selling a ship boots, anyone selling a ship boot, like a ship knob, like a boot type of thing, hit me up. Oh goodness. Car smells so cool. Okay. Let's go back in, sweetheart. Good night. Oh wait, I can't. I don't have my wallet in my car too. Gotta make sure these are clean too. Right. I've been so lazy. I just never fixed the switch. And I know what I'm gonna do? I'll probably watch you fix it right now. Comment down below if you want me to like make this piece right here, the foam rubber thingy, red. I want to make it red like the Type R's have like in red. The Type R intangles have red, so I'm gonna make it red too. I might want to do it one day. It's not that expensive. You got to think it's pretty much no. It's only $20. I'm gonna get it and make an installation video of those. That too might as well. When I clean my interior is not just the dash and everything. I do everything like little by little. Cause I like my car clean though. Like whatever the hell it is. I can see him cleaning this. Maybe why are you throwing the floor? I mean, yeah, aren't you cleaning your car? Yeah, I am, but don't worry, I'll clean that afterward. Clean the seats. The upper seats. This is pretty much it. So it's gonna be a short video today again too. I'm just gonna do the interior cleaning rest of them, and hope you enjoyed the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out and assalamu alaikum, guys.